Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to make an old router. I bought this secondhand off of Carousell and turn it into an access point or a repeater. Right now in my house, my original router is upstairs, but I'm downstairs. So there's a lot of signal degradation that you can get. So I bought this router off of Carousell for roughly around 30 ringgit, which is really, really cheap, considering a brand new router would cost somewhere around 100 bucks. So all you need is obviously an old router, and you need the power plugs that connect to it. Since you probably need a pin if this is a used router. Oh, that's my cat. So this pin is to factory reset the actual router. You might not need this, but I do, so yeah, that's why I have it. Obviously, you need a power outlet, and also you need a Ethernet cable. So on the other end of this Ethernet cable that's connected to my original router upstairs, so this is the other end, which I'm going to plug into this router. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, I need to plug this in. So now I have to reset it. So I'll put you guys down. Okay, so now that the power LED status indicator is green. So what I do is I take my pin and I go to the bottom, and then I find the reset button, and I take my pin and I press on it for 10 seconds. So I'm pressing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 until the status indicator is orange, and now it's blinking, and now the router is going to reset. And at the same time, it's going to reboot. Okay, so now that the power status indicator is back to green, now what I do is, I'll pick you guys up. So now I take back my Ethernet cable. I take this, and then I'm going to plug it into the yellow port, which is the internet port. Okay, so now I have to set up the router to act as an AP, and for that I need to go back to my computer to mess around with the software. Okay, now for the software portion of this tutorial. So firstly, you need to connect to your router, the one that you just set up. So I have it connected via Ethernet. So what you do first is you need to get the IP address of your router. So first you hit the start button, then you hit on the command prompt, which is CMD, press enter. And then here you type in the command ipconfig. It's in the description if you don't know what it is. Then you just press enter, and then you're looking for this one. This is the one that we're looking for, which is the default gateway. So I'm connected via the Ethernet, so I'm looking for a default gateway. So the IP address for my router is 192.168.0.1. So I type that into any web browser, 192.168.0.1. I hit enter, and then I'm gonna go into the login page. So you're probably gonna hit a some sort of a prompt to type in the password. If you don't know what the password is, you can just go on Google and type in your router model number, like space password, and then most likely you'll get the default password there. But for my router, it's pretty much blank, so I just hit login, and there you go. So here's my homepage for my router. So what I do, this is a D-Link. So what I do is I go on the settings tab, then I go to internet. It's going to load, and over here you see device mode, and it's in router mode. So what you want to do here is you want to switch from router mode to AP mode, which is access point mode. Hit save, and then the router is going to reset in a minute. Okay, so new settings has been changed. You click OK. Okay, so here you can see that my connection status has been changed. Before it was no connection, but now I have an Ethernet connection to the internet. To test if it works, I just go on Google, and there you go. Speed test. So it's the same speeds as I would get if I were to directly connect my computer to the router upstairs. This is a great solution. I've used home plugs in the past. They were a pretty nice solution, but it wasn't really a permanent solution. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions, and I'll try my best to help you out. So thank you so much.